one owner 1979 Camaro Berlinetta. Pretty original car. It's 94,305 actual miles. Very, very clean, runs and drives great. We've even got the original 8-track down here with some Dire Straits in it. So that's pretty cool. This car's well documented. We've got an original window sticker, documentation for the work done over the years, along with just a nice list of everything that's ever been done to the car, all the normal maintenance and everything. If you'd like to see more of this Camaro, you can go to survivor-cars.com. And as always, we thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for all the latest inventory and helpful car videos. Thanks.